Drag. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close the...
What's good, love bugs? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. So today it's going to be a little short video. It's kind of like a part 2. The second video will be listed up here and also in the description. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to naturally cure BV from home. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. More videos like this, different type of videos, whatever it is, just comment down below. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already, and make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss a nice lit post. So let's get straight into this video. So unfortunately, I had experienced BV the year. Once in the year. It was just like a continuous thing. I think this is maybe because of birth control. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure I've had BV before, but I don't know how I naturally cured it because I just don't know how. And it just happened to happen again after I started taking my birth control for the second time. So I was researching how I can naturally cure BV because I knew that's what I had, and not yeast infection, because when you have a yeast infection, there's no smell. So I was just looking up ways how to naturally do that, because I know, first of all, that's embarrassing to go to a doctor. I don't care if that's a doctor and that's your job. I don't care. That's embarrassing. I'm not about to say, I'm having, and then it's just embarrassing to me. And it's just like, I know they're going to give me antibiotics, so I don't do pills, and they're going to be like this thick. I'm not taking that. So I'm just going to continue having this BV. So yeah, I've been searching how I could naturally cure it. So the first thing I came across were these pills. I wasn't really sure about it, so I continued to research, and I came across this like DIY. I'm going to tell you guys how to do it and if it worked for me. What you're going to do is you're going to get a bowl big enough that you can sit in. This could be something like a big old salad bowl for like a cookout, or maybe like one of those Tupperware containers, the big ones, like for storage for clothes and stuff. You could do that and just fill it up halfway. You could do, what I use is I use the Lyrics baby bathtub. That's what I used, because it's just like a small body of water. That's what you just need, a small body of water that you can sit in, because a bathtub, it's just way too big. It's going to take up too much water. You're going to have to use too much ingredients. So you want something that's small but big enough that you can sit in. So what you're going to do, there's no like correct measurements. It's basically based off of the container or whatever that you're sitting in. So you're going to need some warm water. When I say warm, I really mean hot, but not so hot that you can't sit in it. Hot enough that it's too hot, but that it's tolerable, that you can sit in it for a good 15 minutes. So you're going to need some hot water, the bowl, and you're going to need sea salt. That's all you need. I'm not sure if this works with regular white salt, but sea salt, that's natural sea salt. Get natural sea salt. That's all you need. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill up your body of water. You're going to fill it up. And then you're going to mix in some sea salt. Basically enough that it's, marinating in there. Like, not a little bit, but not too much. Like, you need good rations, okay? That they need to be basically equal, So in your water, you need some salt, and you're going to mix that in, and then you're going to sit in this for 15 minutes. After you sit in it for 15 minutes, you're going to empty that out, clean it out, and basically do that again. And you're going to do this for Me, I only did this personally for 2 days. The first day it worked for me, and I noticed the difference right away. And then maybe like the second day, maybe the third day, it was like, it went away. So yeah, you want to do this for like 5 nights straight. 2 times for 5 nights straight, and that should do it. But if that does not do it, I have another suggestion for you. I'll leave the video here and also in the description so you guys can purchase these things that I got. But if you don't want to do that, this will probably be the best if you don't want to go to the doctors. But if you don't want to do those two, I don't know the other option. So I would say go check out your doctor. But if that was helpful for you guys, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it was. It was very helpful for me. So thank you to the people. I don't know what happened, but I was saying thank you to the girls whose video that I've seen. I don't remember their names right now, but I'll leave them here. There's going to be 2 of them right here. Boom, boom. Thank you to them who helped me out, and I hope I can help somebody else out. But make sure you like this video if it helped you out. Make sure you comment down below. Also, if it helped you out, what other videos like this you guys would like to see, what other girls' room videos you guys would like to see. And make sure you subscribe if you aren't already. And make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss a lit post. And I'm out.
Hey, I'm ready, gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. Number 1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.